You can shape how Claude responds across all your conversations by adding custom instructions to your account profile. If you enjoy these tech walkthroughs, please take a moment to leave a like on this video. To get started, open the Profile menu at the bottom left corner of the sidebar. Select Settings from the menu to open your account preferences. The General Settings page lets you manage your personal details and global preferences. Click into the Instructions for Claude text box to set your permanent guidelines. Enter whatever formatting rules, style preferences, or background context you want Claude to always remember. Finish typing your custom instructions into the text area. Once your instructions are ready, click the Save Changes button below. A confirmation banner will briefly appear to let you know your new settings have been successfully stored. Your saved instructions will now apply automatically to every new chat you start. Thanks for watching today, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful guides.